Hi.
Hey, good morning, everybody.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, morning.
Good morning, Miss. Good morning.
Hello. Morning. Good morning, Sophia.
Hello, Miss. How are you?
Good. Happy to see you. You look good today. I really like your shirt's color. Okay, morning.
Good morning, Miss.
Morning, morning, beautiful and handsomes. Okay, so welcome back to classes. Today we're gonna start, as you know, with math. So,
In the book.
yes. So we're going to start a new topic today. Okay. So, yeah.
Miss,
Uh-huh.
what happened with the Miss?
Mhm.
The table of the six. What happens?
We are going to work with that. And on Thursday, we're going to make oral quiz of 6 and 7. Okay? 6 and 7. I told you that you are going to have extra time to work with that, okay?
Miss, I have a problem on my camera. And I
Okay.
think that Andrea have another computer.
Okay.
No.
Okay, guys, here we go. So we are gonna stop talking about other stuff and let's start. I need you that you open your book in page 27. 27. Everybody, please go to page 20.
27.
Yes.
Finish.
Everybody.
Finish.
Don't say finish.
Finish.
Okay, well, as you know over there, we have this. Adding whole numbers is the new topic that we're going to be working. So, well, we are going to learn, guys, that how can you add? We are going to learn how can you add whole numbers, okay? So over there, I'm going to be showing some examples how to use the place value. It's very important to us to use the place value in this kind of exercise, and especially in this topic. I'm going to show you just something over there and explaining a little bit what is the adding a whole numbers. So to add whole numbers, we need to line up the numbers correctly, okay? So over there we have an
Miss,
example.
I don't hear you too well.
Sorry, baby, maybe it's your
Miss, internet.
internet.
Miss,
I cannot hear you very well, Linmy. Maybe it's your internet.
yes, but I, I hear you like in trouble and I cannot see the presentation.
Easier. Oh, okay. Try to get again into the class, okay?
Okay.
So as I was telling you,
I will try, Miss.
adding whole numbers is to add whole numbers. We need to line it up, the numbers correctly. We cannot make a mess, okay? In this example, we need to work out in this, in 61,487 plus 9,547. So we need to grade the numbers one over there to the top and with the other units in the line, okay? If you see over there, and we need to add the numbers in each column starting from the right and working to the left. So if you see both number, let's count how many digits has the first number. You see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the second number that we have just right there, Diego, count this number, the digits.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so over there, if you see both of the numbers start with number 7. So we are going to write this as a shown. Then we had 4 and 8, and then we had 5 and 4, then we had 9 and 1, and then we have 6. And then saying here that we have 6 and 1. I'm going to, I know that you have.
Miss. No, it's not a
Miss, it's
question,
Lynn.
Guys,
because I left out and this is not in the book.
I am explaining the topic to you guys. Okay, if you have any question, right now I'm trying to explain through the chat. Don't tell me if the camera, if the microphone, if the internet, just listen to me. That's why sometimes you don't understand the topic, because you interrupt me all the time. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna block the microphones because you had the problem, okay? Listen to me. Over there, as Diego helped me to count the digits, we had 5 digits. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So over there, if you see over there, I can make a place value chart. If you see, and I start making this chart in here. Imagine that I am doing oh, sorry, this is a mess. I'm making a value chart. If you see, I can divide that. And I can make this. Okay, if you see, I can make a value chart in here. So over there, I can, what is the first? I'm going to have Andrea. I'm going to, only Andrea microphone is going to be open. Andrea,
Okay.
what are the first digits according to the place value?
7.
Yes, but according to the place value, 1,000, hundreds, 10,000.
1.
It's going to be ones. Thank you, Andrea. Okay, Diego.
Yes.
What is the second digit?
Is
According to the place value chart.
Yes.
If you have ones in here, you don't know, Diego? Okay, don't worry. Lipsy, did you raise your hand, Lipsy?
It's tens.
Okay, and the next one, Lipsy? What will be this one? You had ones, tens? No? Okay. Elena, you raised, okay. Elena, no, it was Lauren. Aha. Okay, Lauren?
Hundreds.
Hundreds. And Sophia, what is this digit, Sophia?
Um, 100.
No. No, Beauty. Okay, Elena?
Thousands?
Yes. This is thousands, okay? Okay, Elena, and what will be this one? The number 6. No, you don't know, don't worry. 10,000, okay? So Put your hands down, please, guys. I'm going to keep explaining. Over there, if you see, they are showing in here. 7 plus 7 is 14. So we need to write this as a shown. You write number 4, and then you regroup the 1 into the tens. Then we have 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1, remember that we had 1 that we regrouped from the 14, we're going to have 13. We regroup the next one. Then we have, listen, pay attention, Daniel and Dariel. 4 plus 5, it's 9. Okay, plus 1 that we regroup, I'm going to have 10. I'm going to write 0. And I'm going to regroup 1 to the next value that it will be 1,000. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 1 that I regroup is going to be 11. So I write 1, and I'm going to regroup 1 to the next place value, that is 10,000. So over there I have 6, plus the 1 that I regroup is going to be 7. At the end, the addition, my whole number is going to be 71,034. Okay, so we always, guys, always, we are going to start from the right to the left. Okay, to the left. We never gonna start for this from the left to the right. Always it's gonna be from right to left. Okay, so let me erase everything in here, and I'm going to start with a page 27 that over there gives more steps. Okay, so over there we have Alaska. Alaska is the largest state in the United States by area. Its land his land area is 570,374 square miles. And its water surface area is 86,051 square miles. Find the total area of Alaska. Okay, so over there, I want you that you try to underline what is the information that we are asked to find. What we need to find. Sebastián, Joseph, Adrián, Darwin, Camila, Dana, Liam, Abigail. What is the information that we need to find? Lin-May. Lin-May, I'm trying to...
I cannot answer because I don't hear you. You hear like travel, like say one word and another, and my internet is correct. Miss, can you hear me?
Okay, I got you. I got you a little bit. Okay. Andrea.
We have to find the total area of Alaska.
We need to find, right? This is what they are asking to us. Need to find that and then say, circle the information you will use. Well, over there is very easy to find because we need to find this and we need to find this. Okay, so let's find this sum. If you see over there, we are going to make an addition of 570,374 plus 86,051. So it is important to line out the addends by place value when adding the numbers. If you see over there, it is important that we line it up then. You see? If I start making some square, just that you can see that they had to be in order. You see? Because they are not in a mess. What I'm trying to explain to you, that I don't want that you write like 570,000 and 370, what? 4, and then you make something like this, like an example, you start writing like that. Okay. I don't want that you write something like that, or you write it like this. Okay. No, it has to be lined up. It has to be in line. Okay. In line. So let's try to solve this, all of us together. I'm going to ask to some of you. Do you have any question, Linmi? No? Okay. So over there, listen, we had the step number 1 in need that we need to start adding the ones. What are the ones in here, people? Andrea, Sofia, Lauren, tell me, guys. What are the ones value in here? Andrea, Lauren, tell me. I'm saying Nancy, you don't answer to me. The microphones are open.
41.
4 and 1. 4 and 1. So 4 plus 1 is?
It's 5.
5.
We got 5. And then we need to add? We need to add the tens groups, right? So
Yes.
if 7 plus 5 is?
7 plus 5. 2.
12.
12. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2, sorry, and I'm going to regroup. If you see over there, I'm going to regroup 1. You need to regroup 1. Okay, so it means that you are going to have 102 tens.
25.
Okay, so let's continue in the step number 2. Add the hundreds and add the thousand. 3 plus 0?
3 plus 0, 3.
Plus 1 that I regroup, plus 1 that I regroup.
Plus 1 is equal 4.
Okay, for Diego. So 0 plus 6.
0 plus 6 is 6.
Okay, Dana. 7 plus 8, Dana.
50.
It is?
50.
15. Okay, so I'm gonna stop there. We already regroup add the hundreds. If you see here, that is the 4, and the thousand, that is the 6. In the third step, we need to add the 10,000. It is the one that Dana told me. It's 15. So they regroup 1. So 5 doesn't have a number to regroup in here, but we to add, but we had the one that regroup. It is 1 plus 5 is?
1 plus 5 is 6.
6.
Okay. Okay, give me a second that I can hear. We need to grab 5. 1 plus 5 is 6 when we add the 100,000. So the total will be?
600. No, 6,000.
656,000.
425.
425 square miles. Okay. Okay, this is easy. Let's go to page 28. Everybody, let's go to page 28. You have to be working with me, guys. Don't tell me, Miss, don't erase. You have to be working with me. Okay, Diego, you have a question or something that I see your hand?
No.
Okay, put
I
it
just
down.
want to participate.
Okay, but you did. Okay, over there we had Listen, you can estimate to tell whether an answer is reasonable and to estimate a sum, round each adding before you add. Over there, we had the example to estimate and then find the sum. Okay, this doesn't look very well in this video. I'm gonna read that. Junior has an area of 2,717 square miles. Microphones. I am listening something from your house that
Diego.
please. Valdez has an area of 222 square miles. What is their combined area? Over there, if you see, we have the numbers, the addends in here that we need to line it up. Over there, we are going to round. Round means to go to the nearest. Okay, I'm going to explain you this. Over there, we had 2,717. 2,000, it is close to 3,000 or 2,000. Uh-huh. 207, sorry. What, Litzy?
2,000.
Pay attention. Over there you have 2,717. This is close of 2,000. Or it is close of to 3,000, guys.
To
3,000.
3,000.
To 3,000, it is close to 3,000. Okay, because how many are 100 are missing to 3,000? 300. Okay, so over there we had 222. It is closest to 300 or 200.
To 300.
300.
200. It is not close to, I'm going to tell you. If I have 200, 10 and 220, okay, and then I say 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 290, and 300. So over there, if you see, we have in here 200. What number is close to, we had 222, it means that we are in here, right?
Yes.
We are in here, 222. Who is closest to 200 or 300?
200.
Right? It goes to 200. And that's why we rounded in that way. We need to see what number is closest. So if you see, it is far away from 300. Over there, so we need to go to 200. Over there, what you're gonna write in here, guys? 200, line it up, okay? You're going to do it, line it up. You see, you're gonna write 2, you're gonna write 0, 0, okay? Then we need to make an addition. What is the sum of this addition? So 0 plus 0?
0.
0.
0 plus 0?
0.
0 plus 2?
2.
Do I have a number to make an addition addition in here? 3 plus?
No.
What I have to do? Just write 3 down. Okay. So what is my sum? The combined area of the Junior and Valdez is about?
3, 3
3,000.
3,200.
Yes.
He's very
Okay.
confused.
Okay. So over there says in the other, find the sum. Now we are going to use the real numbers. If you see over there, we are going to write 222. Let's make an addition over there. Okay. So 7 plus 2 people.
7 plus 2 is equal to 9.
It is not. 1 plus 2.
3.
3.
7 plus 2.
9.
Okay. And 2, it has just right 2. So if you see over there, so the combined area of Eugenio and Valdez is
2,939.
So this is close to 2,000 or 3,000.
Yes, I think there are 3,000.
It's closest to 3,000, right? Over there, we are going to be learning to making the rounds, okay? We are going to still making some exercise to learn how to round. So everybody understand, or there is somebody have a question? Nobody has questions? Okay, we are going to make the last one.
You.
Because we don't have too much time.
Because you didn't put. Because I only see the page in white.
Okay, this one, 28. Over there say use the grid. Yes, Andrea?
Miss, I have a question.
Tell me, beauty.
In the page 28, we have to add.
Yes, the last exercise. We need to add, make addition. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, over there, this one, you're gonna do it by yourself. You need to, did you see that in the square you have a small grids? Try to write the numbers in order. So it means that you have 738,901. Okay. So then I'm going to write down in here 9, 8.
Like a place value chart.
Exactly. I want you that you try to do it all the time, like in a value chart. That is the point, okay? So if you see, now I want you that you do it by yourself and don't forget to write the symbol of the plus.
But you put a number.
Hmm? No, I just want to try to show you because I know some of you sometimes you don't understand or you have questions. So you are going to solve it by yourself, okay? Solve it, solve it. You are going to start. Remember, guys, that you are going to start from the right to
Left.
left. Okay, to the right, from the right to the left. And remember to regroup. When I say regroup, you can write the number that you have from 1 to the next value, next value, next value.
We do the plus in the page or
The addition. No, you have to do it by yourself.
the addition.
Yes. You have to do it by yourself in your notebook. Sorry, in your book, sorry.
Bless you.
Thank you. Bless you. Bless you.
Okay.
I already finished, but I sent it in the chat.
Okay, send it to me.
I sent it.
No, but the addition that you had over there. The sum of the addition. Do you already solve it?
Yes.
Okay, send me in the chat. What did you solve? And I'm going to tell you if that is right, okay? Okay, we are out of time, people.
Miss, I have the answer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to send it in the chat.
Okay.
Miss, I sent my answer on the chat.
Okay. We have a mistake. We have a mistake, Dariel. Lead me is correct.
I send it.
Dana, we have a mistake. Okay. Some of you have a mistake. I'm going to explain you. You need to learn to regroup. You see, 1 plus 9 is 10.
10.
I grab
10.
0
10.
and I'm going to regroup. Regroup means that I cannot write 10 in here. I cannot
No.
do that. You can't, okay? So you write 0 and you regroup 1. 1 plus 0 plus 8, 9.
9.
9.
Miss, I sent my answer in the chat.
I
Okay,
don't know if I am correct.
9 plus 3, 9 plus 3,
12.
12. I
12.
write 2 and I regroup 1 in here, right?
In the comma means comma.
Okay, yes. So 8 plus 2,
8 plus 2 is
I correct the answer.
8
Okay.
plus 2
is
is
10.
11. It's 11.
11 and I regroup. 6 plus 3,
11.
6 plus 3,
Is 10.
Is
plus
10.
1,
Yes,
10,
it's
right?
10.
Okay, and I regroup.
The answer is
7 plus
10.
1, 8 plus 1, 9.
And 1 plus 7 plus 1 is 9.
And that is our answer, 901,290, okay?
Miss, I put accident 83.
Okay, so we need to, okay, there is a repetition, guys. We're gonna stop in here.
Miss, I have a question.